My name's Rich Haynes. I'm a hydraulic tech. Been working on pumps, motors, and valves for the last 13 years. What brought me to Western States is I wanted to further my career. I was looking to advance. I worked at a prior sawmill, which was a great starter, but I wanted to be more technical and advanced. I learned to be a technician just by grabbing a wrench and going for it. I never had any vocational technical school. Mine was all hands-on. What I like about working at Western States is the freedom that I have. I basically man my own position. I'm in charge of everything I do. Basically, I just am instructed what comes in and what goes out. What gives me the most satisfaction is just coming to something I love to do. I mean, I love the hydraulic side of it and learning and growing every day. What I appreciate most about my colleagues are the sense of humor every one of them has. It's always a fun experience coming here, and I've enjoyed it. I feel like I'm still learning. I love the position I'm in, and I would just as soon just ride this out till retirement. I feel like I'm learning every year.